This 2022 Keystone Hideout 176BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 21 feet 5 inches in length and features Sleep 6, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, spare tire kit, refrigerator, water heater, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, leveling jacks, microwave, awning, and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Hideout 176BH is 3,715 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.